if you try the core strategy and you're still stuck, or you're down to a couple choices, or can't make heads or tails of the question, whatever the case may be, if you're still not done, there's some other strategies we can try. And so here's another one. Once you've eliminated some choices, or maybe you can't come up with your own word, phrase, or idea, go to the choices, plug the words from the choices into the passage, and read the sentence, and listen to how the sentence sounds with those words replacing the target word. If when you read the sentence it sounds weird or it sounds off, then the choice is likely wrong. On the other hand, if the choice sounds good, like it sounds like it flows pretty well, sounds like it makes sense, then it's a plausible answer. Not guaranteed that it's right, but it's plausible. So the idea here is, choices that just don't make sense in their usage, they sound weird, out of place, they're not likely to be the answer. So we'll take a look in a minute of an example where that's going to be helpful. But this, I think, especially is useful when you're stuck between two. Sometimes you get two choices that both seem like they're pretty good, but when you plug them both in, only one of them sounds reasonable, the other one sounds weird. And that can help you make that final decision.